Automation testing channel. So today I'm going to explain about one of the interview question. Uh, so how to identify the duplicate elements in the dropdown. So this is the interview question they asked. For example, when I click on dropdown in the dropdown, if it contains the duplicate elements, how we will handle it? Please explain. So now I'm jumping to the code. First, I will open the URL. Here. So when I click on this particular drop down, if it contains two Australia, for example, Australia was one country. If it contains another time like Australia two times, how will you remove the duplicate element? That is the interview question. For example, here it contains Canada. If it contains Canada also in the below, handle? How will you handle? Means here I want to remove the duplicate elements. How will you handle by using Selenium code? That is the interview questions. So here for that particular drop down, I have written the XPath. In next step, I have created the object for selected class, select class. So by using new keyword, I have created the object. This is the reference variable. By using reference variable, I selected the Austria. Now by using that reference variable, I select class. This is the method. It will return the list of web element. Here the get options will return the list of elements. Internally it will return the list object. Internally it will return the list object. So here it will return the list of web element. Now I will write on the drop down. In next step I will print the drop down elements. So by using drop down dot size method it will return the web elements. So here the list is an interface which is extending the collection interface. In this interface, it will accept the homogeneous elements and heterogeneous element, and insertion order is preserved. And it will allow the list of elements. So here in list, duplicate elements allowed in list. Now I'm creating the set equal to new. Here set is an interface which is extending the collection interface, and hash set is a class which is implementing. So set is an interface implementing the hasset class. So why I am taking the set means set won't allow the duplicate elements, and elements are retrieved on the basis of hash code. Uh, for example, if you take the if you look the picture, collection is the root interface. For that root interface, list is extending the collection interface, and set is also extending, and hash set is an class. So set is an interface and collection is an interface. Collection is a root interface which is extending, and hash set is a class implementing. So in set it won't allow the duplicate elements. So to remove the duplicate elements, I'm using the this strategy. So here I will fetch the one by one all the drop down elements. Now I will add the for set interface. I am adding the object ELE so that I can remove the duplicate elements. So in this way you can explain to the interviewer. S dot size. By using the size method, I will get the list of elements. And by using the set, it won't allow the duplicate elements. That's why I'm for that set object, I'm adding the web element so that duplicate elements can be removed. So in this way, you can answer to the interviewer. Now I'm executing the program. So browser launch and selected Austria. So it printed number of elements 233 and after removing the 233. So in this way, by using the set interface, you can remove the duplicate elements. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.